Hey there, Ryan here, Silly Reviews. I'm going to help you if you've ever had a hard time finding the way to pick the category for your cash back on PayPal that they do every month, if you're familiar with that. If you're not familiar with it, but you do use PayPal to make purchases, you're missing out. So you should be doing this every month, because it's really easy to collect the cash back. It works very well. Every month, you'll receive an email, and it says that it's time for you to pick back your cash back category. If you're doing this on mobile, the mobile website and the app doesn't make it obvious where to find how you can pick your category. When you're on desktop, it's a different situation, and on the very main page when you log in, you can see where to pick your cashback category. It's really obvious, but not on mobile. And when you press one of these different links in the email, it will only bring you to the App Store link to update or download the PayPal app, which is not helpful, and I'll show you that. I always pick fuel because that fuel category seems to be kind of broad. Even convenience store purchases, not even gas, qualify. So you could, if you go to Racetrack or Quick Trip or whatever your favorite gas station or convenience store is, doesn't even need to have gas, and you go buy yourself a coffee or a snack, whatever it is, you'll still get credit. You'll still get the cash back, and that's pretty handy. But if I tap fuel here and I'm on mobile, I'm on iOS, it's just going to bring me to the App Store page. And they even show you, like, their first promo pick in the App Store page is all about that cash back, and it is a good deal. Well, I figured out how to do it, and you can do this in the mobile browser or the app. We're going to open up the app. When you're on the main, really almost any page on the app, you have a menu at the bottom, okay? And at the bottom it says Home, Accounts, Send and Receive, Activity, Offers. The magic link is hitting Accounts. We're going to tap Accounts at the bottom, and it's going to show your balance in your PayPal account, your PayPal savings. I'm not sure what else. I guess now PayPal has crypto and stuff, but I've never done that through PayPal. But look, you see how it's kind of highlighted there? 5%, choose a PayPal debit 5% cashback category. There it is. That's what you've been looking for. But it's just not painfully, it's not obvious, especially if you just open the app and you start off on the home page. It doesn't show you that 5% category. It'll show you featured offers, but they just want you to use their links to make purchases online at these different retailers. But what you have to do is hit Accounts. Ah, yes. Now we're going to pick our category. My favorite is gas, is fuel, and I explained why. Groceries could definitely be another good one. And now that I think about it, I think groceries might make more sense depending on how much you travel and you fuel up your vehicle, huh? Maybe I need to rethink that. Fuel and groceries have to be the best too. Unless you're dealing with a wacky month where your one category of spending is completely different than it is every other month. Like, let's say you have a few children and it's back to school time, and you need to buy uniforms, or they want new outfits for the year, and your spending on clothing and apparel goes way up. Then maybe you would want to pick clothing, apparel for that month, and that would make sense. I'm going to stick with fuel, and then I'm going to hit next. Boom, nice pick. So for this month we're now in August, I'm going to get 5% cash back, and it's really cool. So let's go say I hurry up and drop a 20 on some gas, right? It will show up basically immediately in my PayPal account as reward points, and you just need to decide what you want to do with those points. You can give them to charity, you can apply them to your PayPal balance, which is I do, and it's really easy. They've had this for a long time, and it's worked well among all the complaints that you could have about PayPal. Their reward feature, that cashback feature, is solid. So hopefully this video helped you if you've been frustrated by the fact that you simply could not find how to pick your monthly category for your 5% cash back. I'm Ryan. This is Silly Reviews. Thank you so much for watching. It would help greatly. If you got anything out of this, maybe you'd want to hit the like. Maybe you're not a subscriber and you would subscribe, or you dig through my old videos. Got over 2,000 of them at this point. Thank you and take care.